Croeso I HAUS gyda fi, Priya Hall. Dwi'n cael y cyfle I holi fy ngwestai arbennig dros gêm o bingo, sort of. Yn ymuno â fi heddiw yw'r awdur Leo Drayton. Leo Drayton. Helo. Ti'n hoffi bingo?
Big fan.
OK, good. Dafydd Iwan yn y glaw. 29. Beth wyt ti'n gwrando ar hyn o bryd?
Well.
Oh. Story 2. Clipping. Swnio'n real boring.
I think it's class.
Beth yw e?
Okay, it's experimental rap.
Good grief.
I think it slaps, right? Ond mae un o'r cyneuon nhw, maen nhw yn lle like, cael beat, maen nhw'n rhoi like, shards o glas mewn dustbin a microphone a maen nhw just yn shake o fe. A un arall maen nhw'n defnyddio alarm, and that's the song. It's just to the beat of the alarm clock.
Why not musical instruments?
It's cool, it's the vibe.
Pa vibe, though, Leo? Pa vibe? O na, o'n i'n meddwl bydde hwnna'n ond yn rhech 86.
Calm down.
Embarrassing story, please.
Okay, yda fi un, my mum can't hear it.
Okay.
O'n i 'di meddwi mewn clwb.
Yeah.
A nes I trio rowlo cigarette. It was awful. Oedd e'n really, really dene. Trio, like, smygu fe. A nes I ynadu'r holl thing mewn into my mouth.
Paper a popper?
Yeah, the whole thing. And I was like, right, I've got two options here. I can either pretend it didn't happen and just take it back out.
Oh, right, okay.
Neu trio llyncu fe. And my drunken brain was like, yeah, that's the better option. It was still on fire, and nes I trio llyncu fe. I gagged, I just spat it out, and I just started smoking it again.
What? Nagoedd e'n gryb? Oh my god, mae hynny'n hideous.
Yeah, that was embarrassing.
Heb dim resymeg, unfed ar 15, 16. Hot take ni all neb convince ti otherwise.
Okay, Sai'n hoffi Beyoncé.
Unacceptable.
I'm willing to die on that hill, I can't lie.
From the bingo hole. Mae pawb yn hoffi Beyoncé.
Not me. I'm 1 in a million. I'm different. I stand out.
Ti di gwrando ar gyd o'r back catalogue hi? Destiny
No.
Child.
No.
Oh my god, Destiny Child yn day. Os wyt ti'n hoffi experimental rap, sa'n siŵr be fel nhw'n neud. Ie, mae pawb mynd I cico off, beehive o dan ti. Popping off ar Trydar, 64. Wyt ti'n licio social media?
Do you know what? I don't.
Nah.
I'm not a fan.
Yeah.
Fi'n licio like Instagram and stuff, achos fi'n eitha licio like photographic and stuff.
Right, sure.
But I just think it's toxic.
Yeah.
Like, what's the point?
Oh, big time.
I
Ond
don't
dyna
need
pam
it.
fi'n hoffi fe.
I'm addicted.
I want a little bit of toxicity. Wake me up in the morning. Y diafol a'i ffrwyth, 78. Dyna rhywbeth ti'n licio, ond ffeindio mae pobl arall yn cysau.
Experimental rap.
Experimental rap. 100% confirmed.
Actually, to be fair, fi'n licio petrol. Like the smell of petrol.
Oh, right, okay.
I'm a big fan.
Meddwl ti jyst yn meddwl yn cyffredinol.
Big fan. It works.
Os fi'n licio fossil fuels.
Burn them all. Go pan ti yn y car,
Yeah.
just in a Kevin, just you open the window a bit, you're like, that and Sharpie pens.
Okay. Fi'n licio solvents. Okay.
Oh my god.
Pryd ti'n bwyta, caid y gig. 90. Be di ic mwyaf ti?
Sai'n hoffi pobl yn ymnadlu, like, next to me. Like, just don't breathe.
Sa'n hoffi pobl yn anadlu, firstly, so...
A click o bysedd.
Oh my god, dwi'n
Take
cael ei
that.
hynny.
Oh,
Dwi'n gallu neud e ar y rygbi.
No. I think so.
Dwi'n ffili neud e nawr, mae'n 8 yn y bore.
I'll throw up.
HAUS! That's it, mae'r gêm ar ben. Dawbers lawr, please. Diolch I Leo Drayton am ymuno â ni heddiw. Ymunwch â fi tro nesaf am gêm arall o HAUS.
House!